I make a charge that this is a direct theft. People are using it commercially, and who is suffering? The common man is suffering. The common people is suffering because they have to pay for their business to keep everything transparent. In fact, it was a suggestion to you that go and track down those houses.
Yes, definitely. Now, if somebody has
Can
not
you put it in?
Yes,
on your,
put it.
publish on your website.
We will put it.
Yes,
Mr. Bhatkar, please allow me to please check. I cannot go inside and ask, is it your house, whether this is the villa? It becomes
can provide with the
difficult.
list.
Exactly. I'm coming to that point only. Mr. Bhatkar, that is also being done.
JERCचे पब्लिक हियरिंगे वेळार काँग्रेस प्रदेशाध्यक्ष अमित पाटकारान सरकाराक उजरावन काडलो.
सामान्य गोंयकार जो आसा पळय मिडल क्लासाचो ताचेर हे सगळें ओव्हरबर्डन येता. हे प्रायस टॅरिफ, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉस्ट हो सगळो सामान्य गोंयकाराचेर येता. गोंयान पळय जे विला ऑन रेंट दिता, रायट फ्रॉम पेडणे टू काणकोण, तो मनीस दिल्ली बसता, तो खंय तरी हरियाणा बसता, गुरगांव बसता, हांगा करोडांनी बंगले घेतले आणि प्रत्येक रातीक तो 80,000 1 लाख रुपयाक भाड्याक दिता. पूण त्या घराक जो मिटर पळय आसा न्ही, तो इज डोमेस्टीक आणि तो कमर्शियल एक्टिव्हिटी करता थंय. बर्डन रेव्हेन्यू गॅपाचो बर्डन काडटान तुमी कॉमन मॅनाचेर घालता. तो इलिगली डोमेस्टीक मिटर घेवन आपलो विला ऑन रेंट दिता आणि लाखांनी रुपया घेता पर नायट. इज अ डायरेक्ट थेफ्ट. ही चोरी मरे.
लिस्ट दी कारवाय करता म्हूण चीफ इंजिनियर स्टीफन फेर्नांडीसाची अमित पाटकाराक जाप.
ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर सरानूय बीन हेचेर 2-3 मिटिंगे घेवन ट्युरिझम डिपार्टमेंटान आमकां डेटा दिली थ्रू फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंट and through GST department. We have checked every establishment or whatever, they say villa or who is going on, who has taken the connection for domestic where he was supposed to take a commercial. Based on certain evidence, we have already issued notice and we have instructed my people to change those connections from domestic to commercial. आता ते कितें म्हणटाले, certain agency which are still doing this kind of thing. So we said we will check, and if they can provide certain data, it will be helpful for us so that we can take necessary steps.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सगुण गावडे.